let's hope for some big multipliers.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Yourself. 9,356 winners Rattler with a 1.9 thousand win. Right? Because, for example, maybe somebody's like a huge fan of basketball, but they just don't like to play themselves, right? Maybe they personally enjoy volleyball more. What's the story with you guys? Do you have any such examples? If you do, let me know. I would love to hear all about them. Spin is made. Good luck. 3x on coin flip. Play darts, watch football. Fair enough. Nice. Some darts with the boys. Have you ever played darts in a competitive setting? Or oh snap, we got a crazy jump. Okay, let's get back to the darts in a bit. Ladies and gentlemen, showtime. Crazy time! Welcome. How you guys doing? Skateboarding and snowboarding. Okay, sweet, nice. All right, everybody, choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. You gotta pick one of them. And then once that choice has been made, we're gonna move on. And we're gonna spin the wheel. Yeah. I wish you all the best of luck. 200 is the max. Let go. Good luck. Ooh, baby, we got a 15 on green, 25 on yellow, double trouble on the blue flapper. Yeah, boy. Okay, the maximum multiplier now is going to be 400x, everybody. Let's do this. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 370,838 euros.
200x on blue. Woo! Congratulations! $14,500 winners, baby. Top winner and with a 20,000 numbers with a $17,000. The third winner. Let's go, baby. It's the blue day today. What? That's crazy. 200x there. Man, that's not.
Well, don't take it personally, man. I know about West Bengal well. Yeah. In India, you could get the most gorgeous girls from West Bengal, guys. Okay, we have a pachinko with the favorites. Would be nice if we get it. But I feel like we'll be getting something else. Would be cool if we get it again. We got it, guys. That's a crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, guys. You're ready? Let's get something massive, guys. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Crazy Time World. Once again in this session, guys. You all know how it works, right? If there is any newcomer suppliers, we'll be having 3 flappers, guys. You can see it on the top of the wheel. You have to choose yours. We have a green, blue, and yellow. Addition time has started, guys. Good luck. Last few more seconds. The maximum multiplier. What we have here, it's 100x pliers. Good luck, guys. Good to go. I hope we grab the 100s again. Let's see where we're gonna get it. Last time we had it on yellow team, right? Sorry, green. Last time it was green color. This time, let's see where we're gonna get the 100. Yellow team got a double. Look at the beauty. Green got a 50. And blue team, once again, that's 15, guys. Not bad. Enjoy pliers. Green and blue enjoy. And yellow team, my love, that's multi 200s again. Let's grab it this time. Good luck, guys. That's a CSK power, guys. Hello, team. You look so proud. Bingo, I had a quick. That's why I feel so proud. Oh, we got a double again. Ladies and gentlemen, hello, team. My love, my favorites. Got a double again. It's going to be 400s, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we're going to get. 400 mats, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's grab it. Man, imagine if you get a one more time.
This is the amount of money issued 334,369 euros.
Yeah, boy, we got a 200, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all the winners. 1007, 27, 200. Lolo Saga got a top 2 on 6,091 and total motivation on this crazy time.
20X on a 10 on TOPSLOT. So how you feeling today? How you doing, my beautiful people? Are you doing amazing?
This is the amount of money issued 890 to 1,268 euros.
Woohoo! 7,388 winners at door, top 100, 5,000. Let's go. And best to close. If you happy, I'm happy as well. 7X on Pacino.
I land that side of the world, kind of do some exploration. Oh, come on now. Ladies and gentlemen, 7X on, what is happening? 7X on cash hunt. Let's go hunting. Here we are. Ooh, spicy. Well, 100X the highest for now. Let's add that 7X on top. Yeah. What is happening? Look at that board. We got 700X, 525Xs. Oh my days. I can't look. Good one. I mean, just good one. That's all I have to say. All right, are you ready? There we go. Board is all shuffled up. It is your time to shine, ladies and gentlemen. Decision time. Choose one symbol. They are not related to previously shown multipliers in any type of way. You can leave it to auto pick as well, as you wish. Been there 7 times, the best place on earth. Which one, Turtle?
All right. This is the amount of money issued 645,062 euros.
100X. Look at that board. That's insane. Congratulations, everybody. 29 players with 700X, 517 players with 525X. It's the top win, 25K. Excellent. Thank you for playing, guys. Last seconds left to place your bets again. Welcome, newcomers. How's it going? Autoplay available. Bets are closed. And how did you do? All right, let's go. Good luck. And we have a... No, we don't. Never mind. I want to say we have a new highest win of the day, but the highest is 1000X. 3X coin flip. Anyway, so, Turtle King, do you like it? I mean, that's...
Turbo! I do spin, and that's it. I don't know where it's gonna land. Mr. Numbers, no, Mr. Bonus. Don't stop believing you're just a small town boy. Born and raised in South Detroit. Anyways, let's go, guys. You took a midnight train, 5X crazy time, let's go! Yeehaw! So everything gonna be 5 times better on this wheel. Yeah. Yeah, baby. All right, let's see. 500 will be, we will have some doubles. So really, really nice wheel will be, like seriously. What can I say? Look at that 500 and doubles as well. We might get that. Well, green, blue, yellow. Okay. Are you excited? Auto pick gonna happen if you're not gonna pick anything. Then here we go. Turbo. Let's go. And we have 125X for green and yellow. Double for blue, guys. Everything is gonna be doubled here. Like, subscribe, and let's smash this red button and hope for a best outcome. I wish you all the best.
This is the amount of money issued 1,098,676 euros.
8X blue. easy game, guys. Thank you for tutorial. GG.
My twin brother. No, wait a second. So you want to say that you do need to split this day with your twin brother? You're having both birthdays? But I mean, actually, that could be cool from one side. Good luck. Bigger party, huh? It's a cash on 10 times tops. Let's up and go from 2x up to 50x. How come that I didn't know that you have a twin brother? You've never told me that. But I mean, happy birthday to your brother as well then. Hold on. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, boom! Shakalaka. I hope that you have the bet on, so that's for a birthday. Welcome to Cash Ins, everybody. We're taking a look over the multipliers. The maximum multiplier takes the place to be 100x, but that's not it. We got a 10 times TOPSLOT, so boom! Every single multiplier is increased 10 times. We're having a 1000x, that's of the highest multiplier over on the board. 750x, 50x, and much more. The different multipliers around. Mwah, delicious. Each $1 covered by the emoji. Under any emoji, any multiplier could be hidden up to that 1000x. 100x buttons golden. Choose one. If you can choose out of pick, guys, and in fact, this is about to be the highest multi of the day found. So good luck, good luck, good luck. Hopefully, as many of you as possible will find it. Also, auto pick, by the way, as well, but I don't remember if I told you. I think I did. Anyhow, review.
This is the amount of money issued for 153,546 euros.
And from the bottom, 1000x multi, and it was found by 48 of you. 260 if you got a 750X, 5.8 thousand winners, and Shield gets a 200X with a 7.8 thousand win. Oh my, oh my. Beautiful, guys. Congratulations. A whole new record of the day's made. 1000x on a cash on. I said that we can do it. Like, post to wives. Come on. It's a great. What's that? Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Crazy time with a 10x TOPSLOT. Let's go. Woo! 10x TOPSLOT. Come on. Let's go for some big multipliers. All right. Choose your team. Blue gang, yellow gang, or green gang. Oh, I hope we can get some dumbbells as well. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, 1000x is the highest one. Good luck. That's gonna be 250x on both blue and green, but Team Yellow has a double. So now the highest is 2000x on the wheel. Ooh, let's go. Good luck. Come on. 2000. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 1,252,377 euros.
It's a 500x for the yellow. All right, congratulations to everybody, especially Team Yellow with a 500x, but also a very nice 250 for blue and green. Did miss out on the 2000.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.